Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. So guys, this will be a step-by-step guide on the Revolut application, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply go to crypto on the bottom menu, and after that you will see a button there, send. So tap on send, and from there just simply choose the cryptocurrency that you'd like to send. And once you have done that, just simply select one of the already added compatible wallet, or you can just simply tap new to add a new address, which is Binance, and you can just simply paste your wallet address in the search bar to proceed, or just simply use the scan QR code that they have and just simply scan your QR address from Binance. And once you have the right address or input the address from Binance, just simply go ahead and enter the amount that you want to send. And from there, you should be able to see a button send. So just simply tap on that. And after that, you will be redirected to another tab and just simply review the transfer and check the details and network and make sure to ensure that all of the details are correct. And once you have done that, just simply tap on send to confirm, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.